is Module 2, Lesson 8. Lesson 8. All right, Module 2, Lesson 8. We are talking about the value of ones, tens, and $100 bills up to $1,000. $1,000. Can you guys believe it? I hope I'm not wandering around with all my markers. I'm kind of curious. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to practice counting a little bit. This thing here is so loud. I feel like I can't even hear myself. It is so loud. All right, we're going to practice counting by ones, tens, and hundreds very, very quickly. Okay? So if I start at Troy, hon, you can't be sitting there, sweetie. You're going to have to go, like, I know. I need to make sure you guys stay in your space. So I don't know. Well, we can measure it and then maybe you could sit there, but we have to measure it first, okay? Make sure we've got our spots over there. All right. So if we're going to count down from 1,000. We're going to count down by tens. By tens. Right? So 1,000, 10 less would be 990. 10 less would be 980. 10 less would be 970. 10 less would be 960. 10 less is 950. 10 less. I need you guys listening anyway. You don't need to be writing this, but you need to be listening and trying to think to the next step, okay? Is 940. Okay, counting down by tens. All right, the next one. We are going to start at 840. And we're going to count down by 100s. Okay? So 840, 840 then would be, who knows? What comes next? Counting down by 100. Amy? What's 100 less than 800? Anybody? What's 100 less than 800? 700. And we keep our tens the same? It would be 740. One less than 700 would be, so Haiti? Eight, 7, 640. Right? If we're just counting down by hundreds, we have to keep our tens and our ones the same. 100 less than 600 would be 540. Excellent. Louise, pat yourself on the back, kiss your brain. If you guys know how to keep going from there, awesome. Pat your back. Okay. Now, we're going to start at 499, and we're going to count down by ones. So 499. What's the next one going to be, Amy? Okay, you guys have to have those answers ready on your tongues. Riley? Oh, we're not counting by hundreds. Oh, no, I'm sorry. No, you're one less than 99 would be 498. You tried to jump down by 99 and 1. Okay. If we subtracted 99 and then we subtracted one more, we'd be at 300. Okay. All right. We have 497, 496, 495, 5, 494, 493. Do you guys see the pattern now? We're just counting by ones, so just that last number in the ones place value is changing, right? And we're counting down, so 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93. Right? Okay, all right. In your mouth. Let's do tens again. Let's count down by tens. We're just going to practice. We're going to start at 500. We're going to start at 500. We're going to go down, counting by tens. Down, counting by 10. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to start at 500. I want to start at 530. My goal is to get to 500. 530, and we're going to count by tens. So 530, count by tens, it would be 520. Now it's only the tens place value is changing. Then counting by tens, it's 510. Then counting by tens, we have 500. So if you see, only the place value went down. 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. All right. I hope I have kiddos ready to learn and to think. All right. My friend Sophia has $154. $154. $154. And this little sign right there, that means dollars. That means we're talking about money. Okay, she has 14 $1 bills. The rest are in $10 bills. So we'd have to think, how many $10 bills does Sophia have? We need to think for a moment, and then we can discuss. Okay, think about our place values. How would we solve this problem? How would we solve this problem? Can anybody tell me our idea? We're not rolling things up in the wipe off rags, okay? How are we going to solve this problem? Anybody have an idea? Riley, I need you to be an active participant, okay? That means I can tell that your brain is thinking, that you're ready to do the work with us. Louise, what do you think? What, honey? Honey, if you can all wait, please stay for our lesson because this is really, really important. If you need to go and it's an emergency, go. But if you can wait and stay just through our lesson, please do. Okay, all right. So think carefully. We've been talking about hundreds, tens, and ones. You need to keep your hands off of things on my desk, okay? I'm sorry. The Rona, man, the coronavirus, you got our rules are a little different. Usually you can't be touching things on my desk. Okay? All right. So we've talked about ones, tens, hundreds, right? That's our place value. We sing our song, right? 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. Right? 1,000. Okay, except for there is no $1,000 bill. We don't do a $1,000 bill, but we do. That relates to money, right? If we have 10 ones, it can become a group of 10. We can exchange that for a $10 bill. If we have 10 $10 bills, we can exchange that for a $100 bill. If we have 100 $1 bills, we can exchange that for a $100 bill. Okay, so the place values work when we're talking about money also. So I want you guys to think carefully. We're going to talk about unit form and expanded form and exchanging in order to solve problems like this. Okay, so let's think about that. I know that 154 is one group of 100. It's 5 tens and it's 4 ones, right? Now I know that Stacy said she had 14 ones already. 14 ones. And I know 14 ones is 4 ones and one group of 10, right? 1, 10, and 4 ones. So I know she needs 10s. She needs 10 10s to make that 100. And I know that if I take that 5 and I take away that group of 10 she already has, she needs 4 more 10s, right? 40 or 4 10s to get to 50, okay? And then 10 10s, 10 10s equals 100, okay? Oh my goodness. Did we just solve the problem already? If we've got 10 10s and we have 4 10s, 10 plus 4 would be 14 10s. Oh my gosh, did you guys think we were going to have to sit out there and count groups of 10s?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for being honest. I bet you guys probably did. You probably said, she would have to sit there and go, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Okay, whew. Right, and my 4 ones and one group of 10s. Anyway, but we don't have to do that. You can just solve it by saying, okay, I've already taken my 4 ones. They're right there. Okay, I've already got those. So I don't need to do anything else. I take away that one group of 10 from my group of 10 over here. Okay, 1 10 or 10, right? That ends up with 4, which is 4 10s or 40. Okay, and then we know that 10 10s equals 100, right? 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. Okay, now I can't say because she's got 14 10s, I can't say she's got 140 $10 bills. No, that wouldn't be right. 140 $10 bills would be 1,400, okay? You move everything up a place value. You need to just talk about how many 10s she has, which is 14 10s left. So look at that. We made our life real easy. Real easy. Okay, and then we would say Sophia has 14 10s. 14 10s. Or $10 bills. Maybe we should write like that. $10 bills, right? Because he said she's got $14 in ones, and then we said, how many more does she have in 10s if the rest of her money is in 10s? Well, Sophia has 14 $10 bills. And all together, 14 $10 bills plus 14 ones equals $154. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's talk about exchanging money. Let's talk about exchanging money. So on this one, okay, on this one, if we were trying to count up to 124 by $1 bills on our place value chart, like, right? So if we had our place value chart here, our ones, our 10s, and our hundreds. And if we put down $1 bills and we said, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. we would want to exchange that and put that over here into a bundle, a group of 10. Okay? So then, and we keep going, right? So we got 10. Then we'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, we'd move that over again. And now we have 20. Okay, and if we were to keep going, we're counting to 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We move that on over into our bundle. Now we've got 3 groups of 10, which is 30, 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We move that on over. Now we've got 4 groups of 10, which is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move that on over. Now we've got 5 groups of 10, which is 50. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we had the paper bills in front of us, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, please don't just be drawing to draw, okay? If you're drawing, you're doing the work along with us, but if you're just drawing to draw, so you're wasting your time and you're not looking, then I don't like that. Okay, we got another group of 10. Now we have 6 10s, which is 60. We are to keep going, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to move that over. We've got 7 10s, which is 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move that over. We've got 8 10s, which is 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We moved that over. We've got 9 10s, 90. Moved it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oof, move that over. Oh man. Now we've got 10 10s. What do we do now? Sophia and Zuhaidi, don't chit chat, okay? We've got 10 10s. What do we do with it? What do we do with our 10 10s? Zuhaidi? Well, we count to 100, but we also move it to the 100th place, right? We bundle those all together and move them to the 100th place. And now we have one big bundle of 100. We're going to keep going. We're counting to 124. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That goes over for one bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another bundle of 10. Oh, we're at 100, 110, 120. And we're going to 124. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. We just counted to 124 by ones, but we also worked on bundling and moving them over. What? We're not going to do a million. That's way too many. But we need to remember that 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. Zuhaidi and Sophia, you two are too close. Zuhaidi, go to the other side of your desk. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about the value of some of these bills and stuff too. Let's talk, if we had 2 $10 bills and we had 8 $1 bills, which one is worth more? Which one is worth more, Samuel? Which one's worth more? My 2 10s or my 8 1s? 2 10s, right? Because Jaya, you know what? I just want you to cap your marker. Okay? 2 10s is worth more because it's 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. So that would be 20, and 8 1s is just worth 8. Together we have 28. Right? Because we'd say 20 plus 8, 0 plus 0, 8. Bring my 2 down, 28. Okay. Let's see. The value. Do you guys know in money you guys have $5 bills? Right? In money you have $5 bills. A $5 bill is worth $5. Oh my gosh, it's worth 5 $1 bills. Okay, you write the 5 like that, or I like to do it in tallies where you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 goes across 5. Okay, a $5 bill is worth 5 $1 bills, right? Okay, if I had another 5 $1 bills, 5, then that would be worth $10, right? Or if I had 2 $5 bills, 5 and 5, that would be worth $10, right? 5, 10. Or you count by. Okay, I want you guys to tell me in tens and ones, how many tens and how many ones? Like if you just had it like that for $64. How many $10 bills and how many $1 bills would I have for $64? I just did it like that. What do you think, Riley? How many tens would I have? Oh, you're not Riley. You're what? How many tens? So you need to pay attention. You know, you're not just sitting there for decoration. You're sitting there for learning. Okay, Jay, what do you think, girlfriend? 6 tens. Very good. 6 tens. You would have 6 $10 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and those would each be 10. Right? 6 $10 bills. And how many ones would I have? How many ones? Luis? You're so excited to be. Very good. Luis is so excited to participate today. I'm so happy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You would have 6 $10 bills and 4 ones in order to have $64 in tens and ones. Okay, that would be 60, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Bring your 60 on to part of town. 64. Yeah. All right. Oh, Amy's excited. Thanks, Amy. I appreciate the enthusiasm. Yay. Now, what if I had $64? Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, I shouldn't have erased this, I guess. I was too excited to erase it. But I said, what if in that 64 I took 2 of these and they're no longer $10. These are now 100s. 100s. And of course, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100s. Now what? How much money do I have? Sophia, what are you thinking? These are hundreds. These are tens and these are ones. How much money do I have? What? How many hundreds do I have? It's not there. It's written right here on the board. How many hundreds do I have? I'm not expecting you to pull numbers out of thin air. They're right there. Rudy? Oh, it would be 200 plus. How many tens do I have? Thank you, those of you who are paying attention. Valerie, how many tens do I have? Well, go back again. How many tens do I have? What? How many tens? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not making up numbers. We're not making up numbers. We have 4 tens. That would be 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? And how many ones do I have, Riley? Right, 4. Valerie, you need to be paying attention and trying to do this with us, okay? 4 ones. Guess what? We just wrote a number right here in expanded form, right? 2 hundreds plus 40 in tens plus 4 in ones. We just wrote an expanded form together. And if I write it this way too, it's kind of fun because you can see those place values line right up. Whoa! 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Bring that 2 down. 244. 244. Those of you at home, look at that. Oh my goodness. Mind blown. Right now. Mind blown. All right. Now, what if out of my 244, I take one of those tens and I turn it into 100. And I turn it into 100. I take away 110. I turn it into 100. 2 plus 1. Right? We could exchange these out. Just kind of like my insertion and deletion thing. Where I've got 200s. 100, 100. I've got 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. I've got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I said, you know what? One of these tens is magically disappearing. It's turning into 100. Now what number do I have? How many hundreds do I have? Sophia, how many hundreds do I have? 300. How many tens do I have? Samuel? Troy, put that away. 3 tens. And how many ones do I have? Well, I love to see all these hands ready. Rudy? Excellent. 334. All right, now what if I have 334? Okay, right here. But I take 3 of these tens and I make them into 3 more hundreds. 2, 3. Now what number do I have? Troy? What? These are hundreds. I don't know how you magically got 33 out of that. You didn't even look at the numbers I put on the board. We don't make up numbers. We use what we have. Ooh, Miss Riley. 6 what? And? So when we're just saying that as a number, we would say 604. Very good. Very good. If you guys are doing that along with me in your brains, awesome job. Pat yourselves on the back. If you guys are keeping up, awesome job. Pat yourselves on the back.
You're on a lot of impact. Miss Kenson, something.
Damn, that thing keeps jumping out of my pocket. The clock over here does not work, so I always have to check my phone. Okay. All right. What if I take these 4 tens now, or 4 ones, I mean, and I turn them into 4 tens? What number do I have now? Luis, what do you think? What number do I have now? Look up here. Look up here. What number do I have now? No. How many tens do I have? Or how many hundreds, I mean, do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. And how many tens do I have?
4 tens.
4 tens. So how much is 4 tens? Count by tens. No, count by tens. No, count by tens. 10, So I have 640. Right? 640. Okay, what if I change 2 of those tens to hundreds? 2 of those tens are going away. I'm taking them away because I'm putting them over here. And I'm changing them to hundreds. Now what number do I have? I'm exchanging my tens for hundreds just for fun because, you know, why wouldn't I? Valerie, what number do I have now? How many hundreds do I have? We're not making it up. It's on the board. How many hundreds do I have? Loud and proud so I can hear you. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800. And Dan? Oh, is that 2? What is these? Those are 10, so it would be 820. Right? 820. Okay, second graders. Second graders, tomorrow, you guys are going to be showing me the money. You're going to show me the money in, you're going to try your best to make it using 10 bills, okay, in hundreds, tens, and $1. Okay, and then you will show me in expanded form. Okay, so what we would do, so like for 400, let's do one real quick. It'll look like this. So if we have 136 is the dollars, okay, and we've got 10 boxes to fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna go 100. Now I've got to do my 30. So we do 10, 20, 30. Now we do 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 136 in dollars. Okay, and then we go like this. We do like a number bond. We write our number bond. I've got 136 as my total. I have $100. I have 10, 20, 30 in tens. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in ones. And that's my number bond for that, right? And I can even write those dollar signs so that people know I know I'm dealing with money. I know I'm dealing with money. Okay, so that is what you will be doing tomorrow. Okay, and then you would also write, it's going to say 136 equals, and you would say 100 plus 30 plus 6. Okay. All right, so you guys will be doing the worksheet for this tomorrow. Okay? All right. So I will have that copied up for you during your time. We will do the worksheet. Okay. We need to put away your stuff quickly. Put away your stuff quickly. Although, well, yes, go very quickly. Yeah, well, hold on, in just a couple minutes, yeah? Like, cause it's, Ah! Watch where I'm rolling that thing, huh? Oopsie. No, 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 no. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the end of second grade math.